In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to provide feedback to your managers when they request it through the feedback system. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Collaboration. Once you arrive at your Collaboration homepage, go to your new top menu bar and click on Feedback. You should arrive at your feedback page. To go to the correct feedback form that your manager asked you to fill out, go to the arrow next to Holiday Party or whatever is there. And from the drop-down menu, select the feedback that you would like to give. I'm going to go to the bottom. And now you can see that the titles at the top of the chart changed. Once I give my feedback, I will be able to see it under those categories. To give your feedback, go to the top right corner and click on Add. Now a feedback form will come up and I can give my feedback. I'm supposed to vote for food and activities and that sort of a thing. I can choose one or all of these. Say for breakfast, I like waffles. For lunch, I want sandwiches. For dinner, I wouldn't mind either of those, so I will go ahead and click both of them. To select self-care, I will click the arrow, and I can choose between a 15-minute massage, an extra break, or a yoga session. I will go with the massage, and when it's the drop-down menu like that, you can only choose one option. I also need to select contests for prizes. I could do silliest outfit, raffle, or school spirit. I'm going to do silly outfit. And then I need to select the type of games for the party. And let's say that I like bowling. I can also leave comments. Maybe I'll suggest wildest hair as a contest. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit. If I don't like my answers or I'm not ready to give feedback, I can choose close. I do like my answers, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And now you can see my answers have appeared underneath those columns. The time I filled out the survey is there, as well as what I chose for breakfast, lunch, dinner, self-care, the contest, the games, and the note. If I needed to fill out a different survey, I could go back up to this arrow, click on it, and choose something else. I can fill out the survey more than one time. I could go up to the top, click on Add, and fill it out again, and maybe I change my mind and I put yes. When I do that, it will list my different answers and it'll show when I gave them, so my manager can see what the latest answer to the survey is. And that's how you can fill out feedback requested by your company. Check out the next video to learn how to set up and receive notifications.